Namaste children. Today we are going to start a new lesson from geography. In this video we will learn about how the earth was formed, the layer of the earth, the formation of the earth. Let's get a knowledge about how the earth was formed. It happened 4.5 billion years ago. The earth started off a round ball of homogeneous molten material revolving around the sun. As the liquid slowly cooled down, that material formed metallic core. See this video? This is called metallic core. It is very hottest part of the earth, very hottest part. The earth has several different layers, like an onion. The layers are arranged on about the others. Now we will see about the layer of the earth. The outermost layer is called crust. The next layer is mantle. The mantle is the thickest layer and forms 85% of the volume of the earth. Third one is core. The core can be classified outer core, inner core. Below the mantle is liquid outer core of the earth. A solid inner core forms the earth innermost layer. The outer core is made up of liquid. The crust can be classified into two: oceanic crust and continental crust. Oceanic crust, that is the crust being the ocean only, about 5 kilometers. Continental crust can be spread 35 kilometers on the earth. Oceanic crust that consists of Saima. Saima means and continental crust that consists of Sial. The earth is made up of several different layers of material. The outermost layer is the crust. The crust is classified into oceanic crust that consists of Saima, continental crust that consists of Sial. The next layer is highly viscous and is called the mantle. The mantle is the thickest layer and form 83% of the volume of the earth. The outer core is made up of nickel and iron and is called knife. The material in this layer is in a liquid state. The inner core is solid and has very high temperature and pressure. Have you understand the video, children? Okay, we'll move to the lesson. Now we are going to study about the lithosphere. Lithosphere, as the name suggests, it is all about land plus rock, which means this is the land where you are standing. If you move above the earth's surface, you will find your atmosphere. And if you move 100 kilometers beneath the earth's surface, you will find your lithosphere. Lithosphere is the rigid outermost shell of planet Rigid means cold plus solid. Now here, why do we say cold plus solid? As you have moved below the lithosphere towards the core of the earth, you will find air becomes hotter. As the earth is getting hotter, its higher temperature does not allow the material to staying in solid states. We have several layers: crust, mantle, core. Earth lithosphere include the crust and the uppermost mantle. Earth lithosphere include the crust and uppermost mantle. Just see this picture, children. Crust 0 to 100 kilometer thickness, and lithosphere crust and uppermost solid mantle. Lithosphere means crust and uppermost solid mantle. And then mantle classified into upper mantle and lower mantle. The blue color represent upper mantle. In upper mantle, asthenosphere. This is called lower mantle. Then we'll move to the core, outer core, inner core. Lithosphere is subdivided into tectonic plates. Some large plates and number of smaller plates are there. Can you understand about that lithosphere? We will continue the lesson. Now we will get into the lesson. Our topic is interior of the earth. In this lesson, we will learn about the interior of the earth to understand the role of plates, to learn about earthquake and volcanoes. The earth is the dynamic planet. It is called blue planet. Why we called as a blue planet? The earth is called as a blue planet because 71% of the earth is covered by water. This water only gives the color of the earth. So we called as the blue planet. We have 3 layers in the earth: the crust, the mantle and core. The crust is the outermost layer. Below the crust below the mantle, the last layer of the inner layer is called core. We will see about the crust. Already we have seen about the crust in that video. Very detailedly we have seen. Here we can see more. The crust is the outermost layer of the earth. Then the crust can be classified into 2 parts: the continental crust and oceanic crust. The oceanic crust, the continental crust, it is about 35 kilometer on the continental masses, and oceanic crust 5 kilometer on the ocean floor. The crust comprises two of distinct parts, upper part and lower part. Upper part consists of granite rocks and form the continents. It is the main mineral constituent of silica and alumina. Silica and alumina. It is called silica, the first two letter we can take, and the alumina, the first letter we will take. SiAl, Sial. Silica and alumina. So it is collectively referred to as Sial. The upper part consists granite rock. The mineral contained in the granite rock, silica and alumina, that is called Sial. It has an average density and 2.7 gram by centimeter cube. The lower part is basalt. We can say that rock name is basalt. Basaltic rock forming the ocean floor, comprising mainly silica and magnesium. That is called Sima. Silica, the first two letters, and magnesium, first two letters. We can combine the both letters, SiMe, silica and magnesium. This basalt rock contain silica and magnesium. That is called Sima. The density of Sima 3.0 gram by centimeter cube. The Sial and Sima together form the earth crust. The Sima and Sial together form the earth crust. Are you clear, children? Okay, good. See the picture? See this picture? The uppermost layer is crust, and next layer is upper mantle. Mantle we can classify it into two, upper mantle and lower mantle. And core also we can classify it into two, outer core, inner core. Now we will move to the mantle. The next layer beneath the crust is called mantle. It is separated from the crust by boundary called Mohorovičić discontinuity. Mohorovičić discontinuity. The name is Mohorovičić discontinuity. The boundary name is Mohorovičić discontinuity. The upper mantle with density 3.4 to 4.4. The lower mantle density is 4.4 to 5.5 gram centimeter cube. We will move to the next topic, core. The innermost layer of the earth is called core. It is also known as barysphere. What is that? Barysphere. It is known as barysphere. It is separated from the mantle by a boundary called. This layer also separated from the mantle. That boundary is called Vichart-Gutenberg discontinuity. Vichart-Gutenberg discontinuity. The outer core, which is rich in iron in liquid state. The outer core which is rich in iron and liquid state. It extends between 2900 to 5150 kilometer. The inner core composed of nickel and ferrous, that is called knife. It is in a solid state. The inner core solid state, the outer core in liquid state. Are you clear?